better, we can see now. So we're going to the Clwyd road run today, so window back seems to do quite well on that. Let's get going.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build-up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
Right, we're back from the road run. It was the Clwyd Babell road run today. Good day out. Left the house at about 25 past, 8:30. Got to the start of the run at about 20 to 10, so it was like 18-19 mile run to get there. Did some driving about on the road run, took the scenic route on the way home over Halkyn and Rossesmore, and I have used, in all that time of being out on the road, which to be fair is not a lot really, what have we used? We've used pump number 6 at Asda to refuel, 23.16 litres at £1.77.7 per litre, £41.16. So I'm guessing did about 4.5 hours of driving on 23.16 litres, so 17 miles to the gallon maybe, something like that. What I can say though is it's more economical than a series Land Rover that runs on petrol, and it's not far behind a diesel series Land Rover either, so speed wise very much behind. But yeah, all in all, really good day, so big thank you to the Clwyd Vintage Club for organising it, and yeah, it's really good. So hopefully they'll have another one around Christmas time. I know the Fflint Club have got one at Christmas, so people might all go to that instead, don't know yet, but you know, it's all in aid of charity and just having a bit of fun really with people. So if you like the video, give us a like and subscribe please, helps the channel grow. Lets us like buy better things for the channel really, so looking to get a better microphone for the camera, which will make things better, and yeah, have better content and do more and enjoy it and have fun, which is what it's all about. So yeah, I'm really pleased, had a good day, and thanks for watching.